Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. Today, I'm making 3 classic Japanese side dishes: tofu and wakame miso soup, quick-pickled cucumber, and tomato soaked in dashi. They are simple, refreshing, and of course halal friendly. Let's get started. Let's start with the miso soup. Here are the ingredients: dashi stock, silken tofu, dried wakame, and miso. I don't use halal certified miso, but I choose one without added alcohol. Now, let's cook. Add the dashi stock to a pot and heat it over medium heat. Then, add the dried wakame and tofu. In Japan, we often cut tofu directly over our hand and add it straight to the soup. But if you are not comfortable, a cutting board works perfectly too. Since tofu and wakame don't need long cooking, the soup is ready once the wakame softens and the tofu is warmed through. Turn off the heat, then dissolve 1 1/3 tablespoons of miso into the soup. Taste and adjust to your preference. And just like that, tofu and wakame miso soup is ready. The second dish is quick-pickled cucumbers. Here are the ingredients. First, trim the ends of the cucumbers and slice them diagonally into thin pieces, about 3 mm thick. In a zip-top bag, add 2/3 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Rice vinegar gives it a Japanese-style flavor, but you can use any vinegar you like. Add the cucumbers to the bag and gently massage it from the outside, so that salt and sugar dissolve and coat the cucumbers evenly. Once everything is mixed, squeeze out as much air as possible. Seal the bag and place it in the fridge. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or 3 hours for deeper flavor. Third dish is mini tomatoes in dashi. These are the ingredients for 2 people. First, cut the mini tomatoes in half. Once they are cut, prepare a zip-top bag and put the tomatoes inside. Add half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Then add 150 ml of dashi. Although mirin is often used, this recipe doesn't use mirin to keep it halal friendly. Instead, sugar is used. It dissolves a bit more slowly. Gently massage the bag from the outside so the salt and sugar dissolve. Once they are fully dissolved, remove as much air as possible and seal the bag. Just like with the cucumber quick pickles, let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, or 3 hours for full flavor if you have time. Now, let's plate everything. The miso soup is warm and comforting. The cucumbers are lightly sweet and tangy, perfect as a refreshing side. And the tomatoes soak up the delicate dashi, making them juicy and flavorful. I hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.